materials also. So this occasion, it is very very thankful to you because you came here. The same thing we are also doing here, but by the special occasion, we are not sufficient for the medicines and all the things. So you are supplied some medicines and the food materials and the clothes and something. Then it is.
Sir, end material.
Pardon?
End material kodte. End material.
Material. That is lungis. Then shirts. Okay, chappals. Then what a pen, book, pencil. Then medicine. And so many things, you know. Then the rice. Then the eatables.
Okay.
You are given. These are so we are very thankful because it is very useful for the people also. Yes. You know, especially in this condition. Very good. Thank you very much. See, they are hard working people. You know, most of them that is agriculture. That is right. Then another thing, they believe their own God, that will be very strong. You stronghold in your faith. You are very strong in your faith. That is another thing. The sick people, many of the sick people are serving the nation also in military service. You know, then other agricultural field. And in foreign countries also, you are staying there and doing the work for that nation. That is good.